Welcome to our second video of our Estate Planning 101. Today we are going to talk about probate and how that depletes your estate. So once everyone passes away in the estate, we'll talk about that in video number 3, who everyone is. You go into probate if you don't have a will or a trust and any written instruction as to either whom people are, if you have children that will be the guardians, or who the property gets distributed to. So how do you lose 40%? Well, first, somebody has to come forward as your executor, the person who's gonna take care of reeling in all of your assets, and they have to pay a lawyer and pay the court to come and say that they're gonna be the executor. Then you have to put out a notice and publish to let all the creditors of the estate know that that the person has passed away, or persons in the estate have passed away, and that if they have any claims to come forward. And what does that mean? That means that if there's anybody that money is owed to, you have to let the public know so that those people can come forward and claim their part of the estate. So if there's any, debt owed, that gives people an opportunity to come forward. So you have to pay court and you have to pay your lawyer to make sure that that gets filed in the court and everything gets taken care of. And if there's any dispute there, then obviously you're going to be paying your lawyer to represent the estate as these claims come forward. And then if there's any guardianship issues, if there's any liquidations that need to be taken care of, as far as like selling a house, approving the sale price of the house, approving the liquidation of an asset, every single thing, you pay the court, you pay the lawyer. So that's how, at the end of this entire process, which generally takes anywhere between a year to, if it gets complicated, about 5 to 10 years sometimes. That's really complex one, but generally it does take at least 18 months. That's how you end up losing about 40% of your estate, because you're depleting the estate to pay for the lawyers, you're depleting the estate to pay for the fees and the courts, and every little step costs more money. So that's how you lose about 40% of your estate. Stay tuned for more.